We all love the convenience of a Bluetooth speaker. But have you ever wondered if that convenience comes at a cost? What if someone could connect to your speaker without your permission and without you ever knowing? Today, we're exposing a serious security flaw. This isn't about intercepting your music. It's about BlueSpy, a proof of concept that demonstrates how an attacker can create a silent, unauthorized pairing with a speaker. This exploit relies on a common insecure pairing method called JustWorks. We'll show you exactly how a simple Python script can take control of your speaker and even activate its microphone to eavesdrop on nearby conversations. In this video, we'll expose the silent threat and explain why your Bluetooth speaker might not be as private as you think.
No. Wait.
So what exactly is BlueSpy? BlueSpy is a proof-of-concept exploit developed by Tarlogic Security. This Python script was created to demonstrate how an attacker can use the insecure JustWorks pairing method to silently connect to a Bluetooth device and record audio without the user's knowledge. It serves as a vital security tool to expose these weaknesses and push for better device security. Now that we've covered the what, let's get into the how. I'm going to walk you through the technical steps of this exploit. A critical disclaimer before the technical walkthrough. This demonstration of the BlueSpy exploit is provided strictly for ethical hacking education and cybersecurity awareness. The vulnerability we are showcasing relies on the insecure, JustWorks, Bluetooth pairing method. We are using this proof-of-concept tool to highlight a serious security flaw in common Bluetooth devices and to push for better device security. Attempting to use this script, or any derivative of it, on devices that do not belong to you is a violation of law, and we do not endorse or take responsibility for any illegal or malicious actions. Please use this knowledge responsibly. For this demo, I'm using a Raspberry Pi 5 running Kali Linux, connected via SSH. The demonstration will use the Pi 5's native Bluetooth controller instead of an external dongle to interact with the target device. The tool we're using is called BlueSpy, and it's available on GitHub. First, we need to clone the repository. Just type in this command git clone https://github.com/tarlogicsecurity/bluespy.git. Once that's done, we'll navigate into the directory cd BlueSpy. To get a quick overview of how the tool works, we can check the help menu python3bluespy.pych. As you can see, the most important flags here are A for the target MAC address and -F to specify the output file where we'll save our recording. Okay, our target is this JBL Bluetooth speaker. First, we need to locate the JBL's unique identifier, its MAC address. We'll use Kali's built-in Bluetooth control utility, Bluetooth CTL. Now, inside the Bluetooth CTL prompt, we'll turn on scanning to discover nearby devices. Scan on. There it is. The MAC address for the JBL Flip 3. Now we have everything we need to run the exploit script. I'll use the A flag for the MAC address and the F flag to save the audio to a file called cp.wav. The script immediately asks for root privileges. Since BlueSpy needs to modify how our system's Bluetooth service BlueZ handles the connection, we have to provide our password. I'll enter the Kali Linux password now. You might run into this error. BlueSpy requires some system-level changes, but there's a quick fix. We have to edit the system.py file and comment out the if not condition that prevents the script from running correctly. Let's try the attack again. Perfect. It's connected and the recording has started automatically. Now, for the critical step, I'm going to play a video from my own YouTube channel on my phone at full volume. The speaker's microphone is now activated and should be picking up this audio from the environment, effectively turning the JBL into a surveillance device.
Raspberry Pi into a device that can act like a keyboard for some clever pranks. But that was just a preview. Today, we're not playing games.
To stop the recording, I'll hit Ctrl+C. It's going to ask if I want to play the audio back. I want to show you the immediate impact, so I will type Y to play the recorded audio back through the exploited JBL speaker itself. Listen closely.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. In our last video, we showed you how to turn a tiny Raspberry Pi into a device that can act like a keyboard for some clever pranks.
Wow, did you hear that? The speaker just played back the audio it recorded from its own microphone. That's how simple eavesdropping can become. Now that we've confirmed the recording worked, let's get that file onto my Windows machine for analysis. I'll quickly start a simple Python server in this directory. Python 3-m http.server 8080. The server is running on port 8080. Now, I'll switch over to my Windows browser and navigate to the Kali Linux IP address at that port. As you can see, the file directory has shown up in the browser. There is our recorded file, cp.wave. I'll double-click it to download it straight to my Windows system. Now that the file is on my local system, let's open it and listen. In our last video, we showed you how to turn a tiny Raspberry Pi into a device that can act like a keyboard for some clever pranks. But that was just a preview. Today, we're not playing games. We're going to use that. And there you have it. We have successfully recorded audio from the JBL speaker. This is a clear demonstration that it's vulnerable to this type of attack. How to protect your Bluetooth speakers from eavesdropping. The most effective defense against tools like BlueSpy is to understand how the attack works and limit the opportunities for a hacker to exploit your device. Turn off Bluetooth. If you aren't actively streaming audio, turn off the Bluetooth function on your speaker or even the speaker itself. This is the simplest and most effective security measure. A hacker cannot target or communicate with a device that isn't broadcasting a signal. Keep your devices updated. Always install the latest firmware updates for your Bluetooth speakers. Manufacturers often patch vulnerabilities. The goal of this video wasn't to scare you, but to make you aware of the potential risks so you can stay safe online and offline. I hope this demonstration was insightful and eye-opening. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content on cybersecurity and ethical hacking, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.